Okay, so here I am now, still at the DJI booth. Osmo Action time here. So, Nils, how are you doing? A question I want to ask though is, I actually have the original Osmo Action. Why should I upgrade to the Action 4? And is there going to be an Action 5 coming out soon? And I know you won't answer that question, but tell me, what's so good about the Action 4 compared with the original one?
So obviously, like any other product, it has the latest features.
Yep.
But this one especially, it's way more compact. It has all the additional ones. It's 4K. It has a field of view of 155 degrees.
Right.
So if you're interested in that, it's pretty white.
Yep.
If you want to film in white, perfect. That's the one for you. The other ones don't have that.
Right, okay.
Okay. But, okay, let's say you want to go do some different things like, let's say surfing, bicycling, whatever. You can do all this with this camera and it will handle it. It's super compact, it's sturdy. The stabilizer is on the latest software.
Right.
It's way better than this one. I mean, obviously all the cameras, they all have a really good stabilizer.
Yep.
But this one is just top notch right now.
Okay.
And when it comes to battery life, this one is probably, or like not probably, it is the longest right now.
Right.
Up to, let's say 3 hours.
Oh.
Let's say 3 hours
Wow.
without any extensions.
Okay.
And just like any other camera, you can just exchange it quickly. Switch
Right.
it out, have your next battery in it, next 3 hours, so longer lifetime.
That's impressive.
Heat is an issue, right?
Yeah.
Cold, battery
4K recording
Yes.
generates
All of
it,
this.
and
I mean,
water is cold.
Obviously, when you want to record in 4K, it's gonna be way less battery life,
Yep.
right? But let's say you're in HD,
Yeah.
3 hours top notch. It's getting hot, but that's no issue.
Right.
I mean, if you're, I don't know, somewhere where it's super hot, the camera will notice, it will shut off. But usually, if you, like this camera is live since 8, 9 o'clock,
Right.
and you can feel it, it's not
Yeah.
that hot. It's
No.
handling it really well.
Good. Okay. So I guess the last question is,
Yes.
when is the Osmo Action 5 coming out?
Are we allowed to say something about
Coming
it?
soon.
Coming soon.
Yeah.
So it is a thing. It is a thing. It is being worked on, and it is coming soon.
Yes.
I wonder if it'll be in time for Christmas presents. For sure.
Christmas.
So we're getting a bit of a thing there. Okay, so Osmo Action before Christmas, 5 before Christmas. Guys, I can't ask for any more than that. It's been great talking to you. Thank you very much. Cheers.